All right, Dodge fans, here we go. What could be better than a beautiful blue 71 Demon? Is two 71 Dodge Demons. My friend Joe showed up. We managed to park together, and let's have a look at this. He's got a build sheet on his car, 71, real H-code 340 car, restored several years ago, and just beautiful with a very nice paint job on it. Very, very nice. We'll go over that one in a minute. And yeah, see, he's got the Scat Pack on it. Very nicely prepared. And you ready to open her up there, Joe? All right. There's his build sheet. He's got the factory advertising, Demon 340. And this is the original Dodge Demon. The only one that would come with the Rally Dash. The next year, the last year of the Dodge Demon was a 72, and it only came with the square dash. You know, the boring one. So this is the best year of the Dodge Demon. And as you can see, super, super nicely done. Real tidy. Got a good grill on it. And how long have you owned this car, Joe?
Oh, it's going to be 40 years now.
40? No, really? That long? Damn, dude, you're lucky.
Yeah.
What prompted you to get this car?
I always loved the fastback style of it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
Yeah.
that got me.
Right on. Oh, yeah. Yes. You know, I've always liked Dusters as well.
Yep.
And then when I learned about the Demon and what it was, I always kind of had a bucket list to get one, and then I found this butterscotch one. And then when I saw you at Cars and Coffee Englewood with your blue one, I was like, man, that is it.
Good old B5. Beautiful, beautiful color.
Yes.
I love
No
the
doubt.
blues. Love the blues.
One of my favorite colors there is B5, and what a pretty car. Well, Joe, congratulations. Awesome.
Thank you.
You're my brother in the Demon
That's
Brotherhood.
Right. Demon boys.
Yeah, exactly.
In South Florida.
Yep. And for those of you that are tuning in, you've seen this car before. I've put it on many times, but again, so when you look at both of them together, that is a beautiful sight, man. The first Demons from Dodge came out 71, and they were lightweight, high horsepower, and smoking fast. Many big blocks were very disappointed with these cars. And there you have it, Dodge fans. What could be better than one Dodge Demon? Two Dodge Demons. It's getting a lot of attention here as people are walking by. So there you have it. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great week.